Hey, to install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, on the search bar, you have to go for the application iOS launcher. So input this phrase. And as you can see, you can already find the launcher iOS with 18 version. So I can actually recommend you to get this one. But also, if you have any issue with the 18, you can try to go for the 17. So let's get this launcher iOS 18 from the Launcher Studio. Click on the install button. And now you will have to wait for a few seconds until the installation will be finished. Now just wait for it a couple of the seconds. And after this, we'll be able to get the iPhone theme on our smartphone. Now when it's actually installed, you have to click on the open button. From this, we have to click to get started. Agree to terms and the conditions. From this, enable all of the switchers, click continue, accept permission, basically every permission that is popping on the screen. Now from this, turn off this ad in the left upper corner and click X. Now click to set as default and switch to the iOS launcher, go back. And now just wait a little bit for the applying process. Okay, and as you can see, from this, we can find this function, this iOS theme on our phone. If you want to get, for example, this control center style, you can also do this by downloading another application from the Play Store. This is actually the control center from the TD application. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.